Hello, good day. You're welcome to this training on how to design graphics using the Canva app. This is the very first training on the graphic design training. And in this training, we'll be using Canva app to design stunning graphics. And we'll be taking the elementary part in this video. So the first thing you need to do quickly is to go to Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the phone you're using, and download the Canva app. And one of the exciting thing about Canva is you can use it freely. You can also pay for it depending on the stage of your business you are in. There'll be a stage where you want to move to the pro, where you need professional templates and other fonts, and you want to pay for the service. But for a beginner, you can start by enjoying it for free before thinking of paying for the app. So after registering, after downloading the app on Canva, the next thing you do is either to sign in through your Gmail or your email or your Facebook. These are the options the app will provide for you. So anyone you feel good, you sign in with it. And as soon as you sign in, because I've signed in, that's why you're seeing this screen, because we are already on the Canva app, and you see the screen open to you. And if you look closely at the screen, you see that you see, let me draw it. You see Instagram post. While okay, this is Instagram post. Then here you see Instagram story. Here you see your story, which you can use on Facebook. This is logo. If you move on, let me move on, okay, because I've highlighted these things not showing. If you move on, you see both for YouTube, you see for presentations. Look at the up, you see presentation for Facebook. So no matter what you want to do, you see an app for everything you want to do. YouTube thumbnail, there is a design for it here on Canva. All you just need to do is to look for it. Then at the very first stage, let's say for instance I want to design a post on Instagram, or you want to even design a flyer, and look at all these are templates you can make use of. All these are templates. You click on see all, okay, see all. So these are all templates you can choose to use. These are all templates. So let me look for a simple one so that we get started. Okay, which do we use now? Okay, they are all beautiful. So depending on exactly what you want to do. Okay, for instance, now you want to create a quote. You want to create a quote. Let me use an example. All I just need to do is to click up. When I say click up, this is the up using the search button. This is the up I mean. You click up of it. Let me clean it. You click up and you type in quotes. You type in quotes. Okay, you type in quotes quickly. It will bring other templates because I want to design quotes. That's why I'm typing in quotes. Okay, so you can see template it has given you. If you want to design quotes, I'll quickly click on this. Let me show you the one I'll click on. But depending on what you want, if you want the picture quote, you can freely use it. So I quickly click on that, and it's loading depending on the network. Okay, good. Okay, now it's loading. So always do your best. What you plant now, you will harvest later. Okay, this is a quote of somebody. So if I want to fill in my quote, I can put the vision is the pathway to distinction. Okay, then if I want to put in my name, because for instance now you see that there's already where to type. So all you just need to do, in case you didn't observe, is to click on the letter. When you click on the letter, your keyboard shows, and when you click on it, it will show you how to clean it, then you can type. So now what of you might ask, if I want to add more types, I want to type more things, all you just need to do is to come down and click on this plus sign. Click on this plus sign here. When you click on this plus sign, let me clean. You click on this plus sign, it will show you different things. As we move on, we'll be taking them. It will show you different things, and among the things it will show you, look downward, you see the text. Among it, you see text, which is here, text. That means you want to type. Then when you type in, click on text, it will show you either you add headline or subhead, depending on what you want to type in. So I just click on that and it takes me to this. So by the time I click on it, I clean everything there, then I type whatever I want to put. So I want to put the name of the person that did the quote, which is my name. Then it's too big, I want to reduce. All I need to do is also to come down here. Come down. I'll come down here. Let me highlight it for you to see. I'll come down here, font size, and reduce the font. Look at what I'm doing. As I'm moving, this cursor is increasing and it's decreasing. So I reduce it to a portable size like this. So this is it. So possibly I want to increase this green background. I feel it's too small. Let me increase it. You see, all I just need to do is to click it. Then if I want to move it, all I need to do is to move it a little. Then I want to move the letters. I move the letter here. I click on the other one, just click and move. Then I click on this, it moves. I click on this, it moves. So it keeps on following your hands to move. Okay. It moves. I'm trying to make it straight. I move it to this place. Then I move it. This, I want to move this one also. Okay, so possibly I want to move it back. I want to move it back to the middle. So it's as simple as ABCD. Though as a beginner, it might take time, but if you get it, you get it for life. So I move this, I move the arrow back. I move this. Okay, to take time, but you just keep on moving till you get a perfect piece of what you want. Perfect piece. Understand that graphics takes time. Graphics takes time. Graphics takes time. So this is just a simple way of designing, and this is the first class we'll be taking on this. So you are expected to do a sample of this and submit immediately before we go further. So after designing this, I want to see if I can still move this cursor. I can still move this. I'm trying to move. Yeah, everything is movable. Everything is movable. It will only take time. It only takes time for you to get what you want, but you keep on trying. So this is the quote of the day. Okay, I'll cancel this so that I can show. So this thing has been scattered. Let me arrange it again. Okay, I'm trying to get it back. I need to move this. Okay, then I reduce. So these are funny. You have to keep on moving. trying until you get a perfect match of what you want. Not that it's easy, but you just have to keep on learning and practicing, learning and practicing until you become perfect in it. Okay, quote of the day. Okay. Okay, just keep on practicing. I'm trying to increase the font size of this. Okay, so you can see what we are trying to do. You keep on working on it. I'm trying to get this other cursor to match this other side. Okay, is it small enough? Because it must be uniform. Or if I feel it's difficult for me to do, all I just need to do is to pull it off, remove it, and save the design without it. But let's see if we can get it. The quote of the day. So I'll remove this. And to remove it is taking time. Okay, I'll bring this one here. I'll increase the font size. Remember where I said we'll increase the font size. By the time you click it, it will show down. Increase the font size. Okay, they're showing me network. Okay, note that Canva is one app that you must be online. You must be online to use Canva. So you'll have data for you to use Canva. Okay, so this is just a simple way of doing a quote. So for instance, again, I want to change the color of this background. Look at the color down. Just click on the color sign and it will show you. If I want it pink, if I wanted this, if I wanted brown, if I wanted black, if I wanted green, if I wanted this, it will also, let me leave it at this green. Let me leave it at this green. Vision is the pathway to distinction. Vision is the pathway to distinction. So now I want to save this. This is just a simple quote you can use every day. You can have your own quote. You can start to use your pictures to create your own quote. You've seen the template. So your assignment will be to create a quote, using maybe your own quote or using any other renowned person, speaker, using their own quotes and submit. Okay, so how do I save? Click on this button up. Click on this button up. And you save. And note something, most of the times when you want to check for template, there's something you need to know. There are some free, there are some paid. So underneath you must know if it's free. It's always shown underneath if it's free or if it's paid. It will show you if it's free or if it's paid. So I'm now saving now, and it will save on my phone. So on my phone I can share this quote. So thank you very much for listening. This will be the end of the first step in creating stunning graphics with Canva. Expect the next video and do have a wonderful day.